Hi guys, let's see how to count colored cells. So if you want to count colored cells with a formula, then it's very easy in Google Sheets. Just watch this video. So just go to this link. Okay, I have pasted this link in the description of this video. Just go to this link and copy this script. Okay, this is a function to count colored cells which take count range and color reference as inputs. So just copy this after going to this URL. Now go to your sheet and click on extensions and click on app script. Now once this app script opens up, you have to just paste it and click on save. Okay, once it has been saved, you have to use this count colored cells. Okay, you can also copy it so that there is no typing mistake. Now let's say I want to count the green cells. How many green cells are there? We can see there are 4 green cells here. So let's check it. Just type equals to and then this count colored cells function. Okay, and then you have to type bracket. Okay, now once you have given the starting bracket, now select the whole range of data. Okay, or you can write it also. Here you can see that A2 to A20, you can write it also, and after that enter comma and then select any particular colored cell of that color which you want to count. So in this case I want to count green color, so I will click here, which will be used as a reference. Now close the bracket and hit enter, and it will give you the number of colored cells. Here it is 4. You can see. That's it guys. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel.